Hello everyone, myself Niyati Chauhan, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology, Department of Instrumentation and Control. Our subject is Industrial Data Communication and Distributed Control System. Chapter 2, BCS Basic Packages and Topic Highway Compatibility. So let's start today's session. First, we discuss comparison of twisted cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. In first column, we have written features. So first, relative cost of cable. So twisted cable's cost is low, and for coaxial cable, higher than twisted cable. And for fiber optical cable, multi-mode fiber optic cable comparable with twisted cable. Okay, so here our fiber optic cable, right? For multi-mode fiber optic cable that is comparable with twisted cable. And we can also say that cost of fiber optical cable is high. Then cost of connection and supporting electronics. So in twisted cable, low due to standardization, and in coaxial cable, low due to CATV standardization. Relatively high offset by high performance. Okay. So in fiber optic cable, cost is high. Okay. Then next, noise immunity. So in twisted cable, noise immunity good if external shield use. And for coaxial cable, very good, and fiber optic cable, that is excellent. Standardization of component. So twisted cable, standardization components high, and for coaxial cable, promoted by CATV standardization. And in fiber optic cable, very little standardization or second sources. And next, in highway compatibility, devices producing and receiving signal must be compatible highway transmitting the information. So here we are connect our device, right, for sending and receiving signal, and we also transmit our information. The information originates in the electronic device in the form of binary coded number. So here we transmit our information in form of binary coded number. In highway compatibility, we send information in 1010 form. So here 1 and 0 that make up the digital information are held in registers from which they taken for transmission. So 1010 form digital information, right? We store in register, and then after we transmit our information. Each 1 and each 0 is called byte. Transmission rate is expressed as baud rate, a measure of the number of charges of energy level per second permissible on transmission during transmission. Okay. So here transmission rate that is expressed as baud rate, a measure of number of charges of energy level per second. Okay. And then after permissible on transmission line during transmission. This is synchronous with beat per second in most cases. Okay. So in most cases they synchronous with beat per second. It is not a measure of the amount of information that is transmitted. Okay, so here we can't measure amount of information because some of the bits that are sent in a message act as formatting agent and are not part of the information because some of message that's are for formatting and it is not parts of the information. In highway compatibility, teletype transmission operate at 9600 Hz. Some distributed control system highways operate at more than 10 lakh Hz. A device is said to be compatible with a data highway at the physical level if it can be connected to highway and produce the correct sequence of binary 1 and 0 from the signal appearing on the highway in receive mode. Okay, so here a device is said to be compatible with data highway. Okay, at the physical level, if it can be connected to highway and produce correct sequence of binary 1 and 0 from signal appearing on the highway in receiving mode. To accomplish this, devices are commonly supplied with ports and modem. Okay, so here device commonly supplied with and modems. A port changes the parallel form of binary information in register in the terminal equipment, operating station and remote control file. Okay, so a port changes the parallel form of binary information in register, right? And terminal equipment, that is operating station and remote control. So from remote station to be and signal to operating station, right? So port can change information, right? And here we are sending information in form of 1010 form. So what is modem? A modem is a device that changes the energy level of 1 and 0, making of the binary information into a code characterized by frequency, amplitude or phase change for transmission over the highway. Okay, so here told about modem. Okay, so modem is a device that changes the energy level of 1010, okay, and it's a form of binary, right? And we can change amplitude, phase change and frequency, okay, in transmission. It performs the reverse operation at reversing end. Here we use different cables. RS-232C is used for limited transmission. And in DCS, RS-449 can be used for long distance. The one used most commonly for distributed control system highway is called High Level Data Link Control Protocol. Okay, so HDLC HDLC, that is high level data link control protocol. Okay, and this is the commonly used in distributed control system highway. Other protocols used in distributed control system include binary synchronous communication BISYNC and digital data communication message protocol DDCMP and synchronous data link control SDLC. Okay, so sometimes in exam, full form of HDLC, BISYNC, okay, DDCMP, SDLC, right? So can be asked in exam. So here we have discussed about how to communicate our system and which type of protocols we are using in distributed control system highway. Thank you for watching video. If you have any query in this topic, then you can ask me.